Hello, I am Dr. Radha, President of Obstetric and Gynecological Society of Visakhapatnam and Professor of OBG. I will be talking to you on rheumatic disease complicating pregnancy on April 10th at 3 p.m. through live webinar. Rheumatic heart disease is the major medical disorder complicating pregnancy, and also it is the most common non-obstetric or indirect cause of maternal mortality. In India, still it predominates, though we are seeing more number of congenital heart disease women with or without prior surgery. We have to know the diagnosis and how to assess the risk of complications, cardiac complications such as heart failure during pregnancy, and how the diagnosis and assessment are different from non-pregnant women, and how to manage the complications when they occur. And we will discuss during this lecture the management of these complications and also how to manage pregnancy and delivery, postpartum, other issues to minimize the risk of perinatal mortality and maternal mortality and morbidity. I thank Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, President of FOGSI, for giving me this opportunity to participate in this FOGSI Digital Initiative Connect. I also thank the Zydus Gynext for their support and also the Dark Mode which created this educative platform. Thank you.